Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first ever unboxing of Redmi Note 7 Pro, and so please forgive me for the video quality as I am not a professional YouTuber, so please keep manage. Let me cut my package Mi Note 7 Pro. Hope everything is okay inside the box. There is a bubble wrap. Now our pretty red box of Redmi Note 7 Pro 48 megapixel camera. I got it from first sale through app code which I got through Twitter contest. Let me cut. Okay, the seal 1 is cut, and moving on seal number 2. Guys, if you find my English accent is bad, then please forgive. So we have done unboxing. Now the first cover, and here is a instruction box, and I guess, yeah, it soft TPU silicon case. Let me keep it, and moving on, here is a SIM ejector tool. Here is our Note 7 Pro, as mentioned 48 MP Qualcomm Snapdragon 65 and 6.3 Full HD display with notch, and the general 4000 mAh type high capacity battery. Okay, let me check. As we know earlier, it's a 10-watt fast charger, I think. Yeah, 10-watt fast charger, and as we know, it has USB-C type cable. Yeah, and by default I am also recording this video from my Redmi mobile. And let me power it on and boot it up, then I will show you inside the or a overview of OS. Now it is booting up, and here is first logo MIUI 10. Let me next, and US, India, English. Yeah, now next. India, India. Next, let me skip it. skip. Okay, and next. So no, let me skip it. Accept. Let me skip it. This also skip. Default, and here it is complete.